Bonjour les enfants, c'est Madame Bini. J'espère que ça va. Pour commencer, to start with, I'm going to ask you to put this sentence in the right order. In English, it means, in this period of confinement, it is important to exercise. I'm going to ask you to pause the video now and have a look and try to put it in the right order. When you're ready for the correction, you can press play again. Voilà la réponse. Pendant cette période de confinement, c'est important de faire du sport. Ok, alors là, c'est important de faire du sport. There is a repetition here. We don't need do twice. Hein? Ok, let's read it again. Pendant cette période de confinement, c'est important de faire du sport. Et le petit hamster ici, il dit, the little hamster here, he says, wep. Wep is like, in English you would say, yup. Voilà. Donc il est d'accord, he agrees. He agrees with what we just said here. Et c'est pour ça, and this is why your objective this week are, as always, to complete our PALS level, but also to be able to use and understand action verbs for daily exercise sessions. Some of you, I know, are doing some exercise at home, and this is great. Some of you are not yet, and I would like you to start. And I would like you to start doing it in French. So we're going to prepare you for this week. You've got all the Easter holidays to apply everything we've learned this week. Ok, on commence. Let's start. PALS activité numéro 1. We are then on level 37. Alors, we pronounce this de, like in English. A, l, m, de, l, r, sh, s, ok. It depends on what letters come after. P, f, v, d, o, m, de, ou, I, same sound. A. Remember the mountain? If the accent goes down the mountain like this one, then it's an A sound, okay? If it goes up the mountain like this one, then it's E. E, 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 E. De, n, E. E. De, m, a, s, ok, depends. R, de, m, e, going down the mountain. E, so you're opening your mouth bigger than if you say e. J, de, and on. Voilà. Let's have a look at our words this week. Alors, malade, malade is sick. Limonade, limonade is lemonade. And you can see the final E is always silent. Remède, a remedy. Or like a medicine, remedy. Fièvre, fièvre, fever. Midi, midday. Dormir, to sleep. Coucher, lie down. If I say je suis couché, I'm saying I'm lying down. Avec, with. Now our usual common words that we find quite often. Bras. Bras means arm, the body part arm. Fille. As you can see, I-double-L in French equal the sound of a Y. Fille. It's not fille, but fille. It's a girl. J'ai, I have. Fille, a girl. Les, it's the, but in plural, if there is more than one thing. So the girls, les filles. Bras, remember? Arm. Dit, remember from the previous lessons? says. So if I say Madame Bini says, stand up. I say Madame Bini dit, levez-vous. Dans, inside. J'ai, I have. Fille, remember? Girl. Est, remember est? Is. La fille est gentille. The girl is nice. Madame Bini est méchante. Madame Bini is mean. D, I hope that's not what you think. D says bras, arm. Fille, girl. Bras, arm, en. So if you say I live in France, j'habite en France. En is a preposition that we use for various different situations. So whenever we come across it, we just mention it. It's better to learn it this way than me telling you in every single situation you use it now, because you wouldn't remember. It's too much. And also what's important just to remember is that it's a little preposition that can change according to the situations. D says. Est is fille, girl, bras, arm, fille, girl, bras, arm, aussi, also, bras, you know it, les, the plural, pendant. Pendant is during, and fille, you know it. It's girl, of course. Notre histoire, our story. And once again, I'm just going to read it. You're going to follow with me, follow by reading and listening, and then you will think about the meaning by yourself, and then I'll translate it, as always. Ma fille est malade. Il est midi. Ève est couchée en pyjama avec son ourson dans les bras. Elle est malade. Elle n'est pas allée à l'école. J'ai mal à la tête, dit Ève. Son père lui apporte de la limonade. Il lui donne un remède pour dormir. Le père d'Ève appelle à l'école. Ma fille est malade. Elle a de la fièvre. Okay, if you want to pause the video to think about the meaning, you can. When you're ready, we'll go through the translation together. Ma fille est malade. My daughter is sick. Il est midi. So literally it's he is midday. But in French, we don't say it is midday. We said he is midday for absolutely no reason. So it is midday. Ève est couchée. Ève is lying down en pyjama, in her pajamas. So here you can see en. We used here to say in her pajamas. Avec son ourson, with her teddy bear. Dans les bras, in her arms. Elle est malade. She is sick. Elle n'est pas allée à l'école. She didn't go to school. So the n and pas represent the negation. It means that whatever action you say, whatever thing you say in your sentence, it's not happening. Okay, so elle n'est pas allée à l'école. She did not go to school. J'ai mal à la tête. My head hurts. But then if you translate it literally word to word, it says, I have bad at the head, which would make zero sense. But that's the literal translation. Dit Ève, says Ève. Son père, her dad, lui apporte, bring her. So apporte is to bring, and lui is her. So in French we say her dad, her bring, instead of bring her. De la limonade, some lemonade. Il lui donne un remède. He gives her, again here goes before the verb. He, her gives un remède, a remedy, pour dormir, to sleep. Le père d'Ève, Ève's father, appelle à l'école, calls school. Ma fille, my daughter, est malade, is sick. Elle a de la fièvre. She has temperature. Voilà pour l'histoire. Now this is your little task that you can also find underneath the grid on Firefly. if it's easier for you to do it from printing out the PowerPoint. Find the translation for the following expression. Now, that might be a bit tricky to remember all of them from memory, but if you can, I will be extremely impressed, and so will Madame Price. So if you can just complete this exercise without looking at the story, that would be amazing. And if you do, please let us know. You can say something like de mémoire, from memory, de mémoire. Okay? And then underneath, you're going to list all the feminine and masculine nouns that you can find in the text. Then you need to look at the text here. And add an extra 5 from your own knowledge in each column. Oop, spelling mistake here. So you think about the words you know in French. I don't know, maybe, for example, house, chocolate, student, classroom, whatever all the words you may know. I want you to add 5 in each column, 5 masculine and 5 feminine. You might want to use a dictionary for this, which is fine, you know. Voila. Next time I talk to you, it's going to be to put our trainers on and learn how to understand action verbs to be active. So I will leave you here and I'll see you soon.